Yo producers, welcome again. As I said, I'll be guys showing you how to find the covers for your albums, for your tracks and stuff. Uh, I found here like a two ways that you can find, uh, but I'll also tell you I'll also tell you more, but as well, and also I'll be guys leaving the PDF file where you can access to these websites. Now, the first one is Canva. It's free. It's free tool. You can check out the website, create the account and stuff. But also there are some paid templates that you can customize and stuff. Basically, you can customize all the templates, but for some templates you have to use a premium version. Now, what you can do, you can just simply click here, album cover. Let's wait. Then you can check out all these album covers here that you can customize. Now you can just click here filters. You can click on animation, black, categories and stuff. And yeah, you can check out these guys. You can upload all of these templates. You can customize by yourself. You can upload your own pictures. You can change, of course, the name of the album, the producer, the artist and stuff. So you can guys customize everything. So you can guys check it out and stuff. It's pretty easy. Make an account, find it, and yeah, boom, it's ready. The second one is Pinterest. You can guys use Pinterest. It's pretty much easy. You can find all possible pictures here. Just simply type whatever you are looking for. You can maybe check it out, contact the original artist that is working with these images, and guys, you can check them out, ask them for maybe more pictures and stuff like that, collab with them and stuff. Yeah, there's like a tons of pictures here. Now the third option, I will leave you guys also some websites, but you can use AI. Now what you can do, you can just simply type free AI image generator. So as you can see, I checked out almost everything, so I can guys send it to you. Now you can check out these. I'll send you guys some of them, so now you can describe what you are looking for, and yeah, AI will generate you the picture, which is super cool. Okay, these gonna be like three options that you can guys use. Make sure you check the PDF file so you can access to these. Of course, there are some like premium versions of the AIs, but there's also free versions of the AI, so you can guys check it out. So yeah, make sure to check these out, see what you're looking for, and that's pretty much it for this video. In the next video, I'm about to talk about more about Spotify, how to get on the playlist, how to make your first Spotify account. Peace. Here we are in the one more lecture, and now I'm about to show you guys how to get Spotify. I think I already told you, and how Spotify for artists looks like, and how to get on the playlist, how to find the playlist, how to pitch for the playlist. But now let's start first with this Spotify for artists. I showed you guys in the last lectures the special access that DistroKid offers. You can simply click here. Click here in this button. Click on the special access and Spotify for artists. After you give it like 2 or 3 days, you're about to see your artist name. Now you can just click select the artist, get the access, register, get the all information that you usually register on any other platform. For example, let's get Kid Classes, agree, but I already registered here, so I don't have to make it one more time, but you're just gonna fill like username, profile picture and stuff, and that's it. And then you will see this screen here. This is how Spotify for artists looks like. I'll just cover every button here so you can guys check it out, but you can also guys go through this, see what's going on and stuff. But this is home, 0 people listening now, so this is the fresh made new account here. So let's just everything 0, right? Because this is fresh made new account. You're gonna see here top songs, your top playlists. These are the features that Spotify usually upload and stuff. You can also select your picture, image gallery and stuff. These are like just some home tab. Now you can just click on music. See, so in this music you are gonna see your analytics for the music, like streams, listeners, playlist ads, and stuff. So and you're about to see that for each song. Then you can go on songs here. Nothing released yet. I mean, I don't have any stats here. Playlists, you can see who put you on the playlist, which is really important. And then upcoming. Here, you can pitch the song for a playlist. Now I'm just going to cover everything for the Spotify, and then we're about to cover playlists. Now this is also the audience, full analytics of your audience, like segments, source of streams, demographics, location, release, engagement. I think they are also adding some new stuff, so you can also follow that. So maybe you can just it's really good to check this all day, see, check your analytics, see what is working, what is not. This is a real release, the first release. Merch, you can make your merch, but first of all we need to build our brand and then sell our merch. Video, this is some new feature, I didn't try it yet, but you can guys check it out for yourself. Yeah, I think this can make you a support for your fans and stuff. So it's like a mini wrap here, but yeah. Now we are about to talk also. This is if you have two accounts, you can just click on the Mikasa Beats and then you're about to switch on that. Now, because I already pitched the song here, let's see how it looks like. Now, you have to use for DistroKid, as I said, you have to use Musician Plus because you have to release the song. Release the song in the future. For example, when you upload the music, and guys, as you can see here, setting your release date at least 1 week in the future increases your chances of getting added to playlists. This is really cool. Try to maybe 2 weeks or 3 weeks is also good. After 2 or 3 days, now the song is already released, but it's not yet live, right? Now you are about to see, when you go on the music, upcoming, you're about to see your unreleased song. And this pitch can help you to get on the editorial playlist for Spotify, which is super important, to start getting some engagement. You can only pitch one song. For example, when this song goes live, I can pitch the next one. So now, I'll gonna show you when this goes off. I will update this course with how to pitch the song, right? Because you have to wait till November 18th. So yeah, when you click on the upcoming, you're about to see your pitched songs. Now this is the pitched song. I have to wait, and I will see if I'm gonna get on the playlist or not. So yeah, I will upgrade this tutorial even more, but this is what Spotify for artists looks like. What is important, what is not important. Yeah, just check your mercy. You are not uploading anything here, you're not just working anything here, you're just gonna check your analytics here. So the pitching song is super amazing thing. So yeah, that's gonna be guys for this video. I hope you guys enjoy this video. I hope you guys learn something new, and I'm about to see you in the next one. Also guys, for the playlists, this is only one way of getting on the playlist. Now what you can do, you can just go on the YouTube, you can simply type lo-fi, and then you can see a lot of lo-fi styles here. I think most of these radios have their submission, so you can submit to their playlists. I think on the YouTube or Spotify, they maybe have on the Spotify, so you can guys check it here. Check all these channels here, they have probably submission. Now also you can go on the Instagram, type lo-fi. There's a lot of lo-fi producers or lo-fi, companies or stuff like that are holding the lo-fi, that are managing the lo-fi music, and they have probably opening submissions for a playlist. So this is also one of the ways. Or maybe you can just simply Google it on a Google lo-fi submission playlist. But this is one of the this is a trend. All these producers, all these people are listening. As you can see, 1K watching now, 24K watching now, all these people are listening right now. So this is a very No, this is like a very fresh trend, like very fresh. So I'll suggest you to submit some of these. And also on the Instagram, it's also cool. Okay guys, here you can change, when you click on the view profile, you can change your picture, you can give the fan support, you know, like you can link your PayPal, artist pick, you can promote your merch, concerts and stuff. Now you can just simply click here. Oh, sorry. You can simply click here, edit this mini pen, and then you can upload your header image and avatar image. You can also click view profile. You know, you can just check your select your playlist. You can make your own. These are your songs here. About, you can click go here about. You can link your Instagram or anything else I think you have. You can add image gallery. You can edit your bio. So basically, you can do anything. I mean, just like a simple things for Spotify. Also, you will receive this blue mark. That means you are verified, which is super cool, right? So click on review profile, edit some things if you want, like to add some your things. Click about, add if you want to add image gallery to, of course, I'll suggest you guys to click here as well. This mini pen here to upload your image, header image and stuff, which is super cool, right? Live events, of course, they won't be, but maybe for rappers, it's gonna be. So yeah, that's gonna be it for this one. And guys, that's gonna be it for this lecture. Now, final and the most important thing is to wait, have some patience, be consistent, which is really important. So that's also the rule number 2, if I can say like that, before making good beats. Is like, guys, like how you have to be patient. Now you're just gonna wait. You cannot, like, you know, like rush the process, especially for the pitching songs, release dates. Of course, this is like a long-term business, long-term project, long-term, you know, producing, making beats and stuff. I mean, you can like upload the beats every day, but like pitching the songs waiting to be picked for any playlist, it's gonna take time. So guys, like relax, wait. I mean, you don't have to wait. Simply like if you already have released a few songs, beats, instrumentals, you can go on the social media where you can, you know, advertise your songs. It can be like a TikTok. You can do like some behind scenes, like how you made that beat, or you can just simply, you know, put the beat on TikTok and Instagram Reels. But TikTok is very crazy, so I'll suggest you guys with TikTok. But even like uploading is free on all social media, so why not uploading it everywhere, bro? Like you have like that opportunity, like everything is free, so you can upload it. You don't have to pay for the ads, like a more organic views and organic streams are the best, right? So then with the time I will be uploading this course with the new benefits, with some new things, new tools that's gonna help you guys. So that's gonna be it, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'm about to see you in the next one.